Friends, this at the rate iUlmong, and today we are with the Innelo one. So the Innelo is a sub brand by iVoomi, and the Innelo one comes with a notch display, which is the highlight of the device. The price point written in the device is 9,499, and the color of the device is midnight black. We are going to unbox the device and also check that what comes inside the box, what are the box content, what are the hardware specification, and we will also check the face unlock which is coming in the device, how good it is, and in the meanwhile we will also check the camera features and camera samples regarding that. So let's unbox the device and check it out how it is. So now we are going to unbox the device. I will put a little fast forward here, I don't want to waste the time. As far as the specs are concerned, you can see there is a notch display, 3000 milliampere battery, 13 megapixel camera at the back, 5 megapixel camera in the front. It has a face unlock feature. It comes with a 5.85 inch SD display, and also it has a 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB internal storage, 128 GB expandable storage. Here you can see there is the Innelo branding, and also the brand logo is little bit different from iVoomi, but it is made by iVoomi as written below. Here you get the warranty card also in the box, and screen guard which is a protector. Here is the charger. You can check out the rating of the charger. I don't think it is a fast charger. And this is the micro USB charging slot. There is also a SIM ejector tool, and this is the device. First let me set it up and then come back to you. Here you can see the device. It comes with a notch display. It has a 5.85 inch SD display screen, and the notch is a little bit bigger. You can see that the front camera is 5 megapixel in the device, which is loaded, and on the side you are getting a power button. The volume rocker keys on the other side. Here we are getting the SIM card tray, which is a hybrid SIM card slot, and here you can use one SIM or one micro SD card, or the two dual SIM card, but not the micro SD card at the same time. So the placement is here. As we go at the back side, there is a 13 megapixel camera at the back, which is coming with a huge bump. I will show you that also. Here you can see the bump. There is a LED flash. There is a fingerprint sensor which is mounted at the back. In the bottom you can see there is the iVoomi logo, and coming to the 3.5mm jack, unfortunately the device is missing the 3.5mm jack. There is no audio port for that. There is speaker grills, there is a micro USB charging slot, and there is a noise cancellation mic in the device. Now talking about the face unlock, I will show you. It works out well in the good light situation, but if you go to the low light and totally pitch light dark situation, it will not work. I have tried that. And the fingerprint sensor is okay. It is not one of the fastest in the market, but it works out well. Now talking about the settings, we will go and check it out, the settings what we are getting in the smartphone. Here what we are getting, it has a dual SIM card support, and fortunately it has a VoLTE support also in the smartphone. There is also about the notification bar. Unfortunately you can also not hide the notch, so the notch cannot be hidden in the device. That I am pretty much assured about it. Here you can see I am putting in the display. There is a brightness, themes, font size, auto rotate, sleep, changing the lock screen, but definitely there is no word on the display or hiding the notch. Now coming to the storage, it has a 16 GB of internal storage. It has a 2 GB of RAM. Now talking about the highlight feature of security and the password, we are getting there is a fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and also there are passcode what we have done earlier. For face unlock there is a faster recognition and screen fill light, which I will recommend you to put it on, because in the low light situation somehow if you want to get it unlocked with the face unlock, it will do that. It will at least try to do that. So but talking about the fingerprint sensor, I found it little laggy while using it. Now talking about the specs, what I have already told you, the device comes with the 5.85 inch SD display, 18:9 body ratio. It has a processor of quad-core MediaTek 6737. It has a battery of 3000 milliampere. Now talking about the OS, it is running on Android 8.1 Oreo OS, but this is we don't know the skin what it is running on, but it has its own custom skin. There is no stock Android. Now coming to the device, here you can see a beautiful widget. It is a direct access to the your Wi-Fi, sound, music, so you can play it around, you can check it out. But as far as on the side settings what we are getting, it has a smart assistant, and this smart assistant is actually pulling out the news from the Google. but due to the custom UI, it is telling that it has some other kind of assistant its own. Now talking about the bloatwares, what are the preloaded apps in the device you get with the UC browser? There is Newspoint, there is Ghana, there is Amazon, there is Flipkart. These are the basic apps. There is also one game and the themes which you can change according to yourself. So these are the basic things what you are getting. There is definitely a Chrome browser installed in the device, so don't get confused according to it. Here you can see the Chrome browser, but the UC browser is the primary browser given in the device. Now talking about the device, what are the modes you are getting, what are the features in the camera, let's check it out and break it down here. So here you can see it has a SDR mode. There is also tap to touch. There is also a flash grid. You can put it on. You can put off the shutter sound. You can put off the watermark, or you can put on the watermark. These are the features what you are getting. As far as the video quality is concerned, there is only three qualities given: high, medium, low, but there is no specified thing that it will record full HD, HD, or less than 480p, whatever it is. We haven't tried that. There is a smart photo option. We will try it and let you know. There are some filters which you can play it around. Now talking about the modes, you are getting the panorama mode, watermark, time lapse, beauty mode, pro mode, and in the bottom you are also getting video mode, pro mode, photo mode, beauty mode, and the face cute mode. Coming to the front camera, you are getting a video, photo, beauty mode, face cute mode, and also the portrait mode. So now talking about the front camera also, it is not disclosed that what is the quality, high quality, low quality, but not the resolution. It will be full HD, SD or not. We will try to put that in the review. Now these are the some samples what we have tried and taken. This is the front camera normal picture. This is using the portrait, and after that we have tried to play it with the aperture. So here you can see the detailing and the depth. This is the normal SDR image which came out well. This is the panorama shot which we tried. So this is all about the camera. The device is going to be sold through Amazon.in, and the price point of the device is 7,499. This is all about the Innelo 1. This is at the rate ioldmonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.